Good evening, friends. Myself Kamlesh Sade, and today we are going to discuss about the very important topic in human anatomy and physiology, that is nothing but the digestive system. So basically, the digestive system in human anatomy and physiology is a complex process that works together to break down the food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. So basically, digestive system work on the most of the three processes. First one is breakdown of food. Second one is absorption of nutrients and the elimination of waste. So basically, after that, it plays a vital role in maintaining overall health by ensuring the body receives essential nutrients and energy. So those are which are essential nutrients and also energy which are received from the digestive system to the body. So basically we can discuss about the anatomy. So anatomy of the digestive system is first one, the alimentary canal. So alimentary canal, a long tube that extend from the mouth to the anus. So basically alimentary canal, it is extend from a long tube from mouth up to the alimentary canal. Second one is accessory organs. So accessory organs that help the digestion but are not part of the GI tract. Those organs which are helps in digestion but not the part of the digestive gastrointestinal tract. So basically there are following organs which are involved in digestive system. First one is mouth. So mouth is used for the chewing. So food which can be we are intake in our body. So basically the mouth which are present mouth, in that the teeth are present, so that teeth are helps the food to chewing that, and salivary glands to begin to break down the food. Second one is pharynx and esophagus. So basically transport of food from mouth to the stomach. So basically pharynx and esophagus are help to transport the food from the mouth to the stomach. Next one is stomach. So stomach secrete acids and enzymes. So basically stomach have secrete, as we know that SCL, gastric acid has been secreted by the stomach. So stomach secrete acids and enzymes to digest that foods, church and mix the contents. So basically those contents which are mixed or necessary for mix, the stomach acid has been mixed it and digest it. Next one is intestine. Main suit of nutrient absorption main suit of nutrients. So basically small intestines are divided into the duodenum, jejunum and ileum. There are three parts of small intestine: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Next one is large intestine. So basically large intestines absorb water and form feces, and including colon, rectum and anus. So basically second part of the digestive system is large intestine. So large intestine basically absorb waters as well as nutrients, salts from feces, and include colon, rectum and anus. In that, colon, rectum and anus has been involved. So accessory organs mean those organs which not involved in GI tract but help in digestive systems, digest the food. First one is salivary glands. So salivary glands, basically its role is produce saliva with the enzymes like amylase. So basically enzyme like amylase, with the help of that enzyme it can be produce the saliva. Second one is liver. So as we know that liver is used in our digestive system because it produces biles to emulsify fats. So those fats which can be intake by us has been emulsified by the liver with the help of bile. Next one is gallbladder. So it can be stores and release the bile. So bile which can be important liquid which can use for the emulsifying the fats, so it can be stored by the gallbladder. Next one is pancreas. As we know that pancreas main role is to production of insulin, or particularly production of insulin hormone. So the pancreas in digestive system work as a produce digestive enzyme. So those digestive enzymes which can be necessary for the digestive system has been produced by the pancreas. Next one, also it can helps to bicarbonate to neutralize the stomach acid. So basically in pancreas bicarbonate has been present, so it can be helps to neutralize the stomach. As you know that stomach has been high amount of gastric HCl, so it can be neutralized by the pancreas. So next one is physiology. That means in that we can study how the digestion has been works. So basically the process of digestion. First one is ingestion. So basically ingestion involves the taking the food into the mouth. Basically the very first step of digestive system is ingestion. In that we can take the food to the mouth. Second one is mechanical digestion. In that with the help of teeth we can chewing and muscular churning. So basically we can chewing the food, that means we can break down the foods, and muscular churning. Next one is enzyme chemical digestion. So chemical digestion, enzymes and acids break down molecules. Those enzymes or those acids break down molecules has been occurs in this chemical digestion. Next one is absorption. So in that, nutrients pass through the intestinal wall to the bloodstream. In that, the absorption has been occurs, in which nutrients has been passed through the intestinal wall to the bloodstream. Next one is elimination. So in elimination, undigested material, that means important nutrients, salts, water and necessary compounds has been absorbed by the small intestine, large intestine, and the remaining matter which can be undigested has been eliminated through the anus. Next one is key digestive enzyme. So basically in that, enzymes which are involved in the digestive system. First one is amylase. So source of amylase is saliva or pancreas. It can be present in saliva or pancreas. So it helps to break down the starch into sugar. So those starch which can be present in the body, so amylase can be helps to break down that and convert into the sugar. Next one is pepsin. So pepsin is present in stomach. So it helps to break down the proteins and peptides. So those proteins and peptides are present in the body has been break down by the pepsin. Next one is lipids. So lipids are present in pancreas. So pancreas break down fatty acids and glycerol. So those fatty acids and glycerols has been break down by the lipids. Next one is trypsin. So trypsin has been located in pancreas, or also we can say that source of trypsin is pancreas. So in that, further digest the proteins. Next one is importance in health. So what is the importance of digestive system in the health? The very first point is that ensures nutrients supply for energy and growth. So basically those nutrients which can be necessary for the body, it can be ensured and supplied to the growth of the body. Next one is maintains gut microbiome. So those gut microbiome has been importance are maintained by the digestive system. Next one is prevent digestive disorders like ulcer, IBS, constipation, etc. As we know that various digestive diseases has been occurs, for example ulcers, also IBS. Next one is constipation. These are maintained by these enzymes. Thank you. These are all over the information about digestive system. Thank you so much.